It is a great way to practice your English. So I'm going to give you the word, its part of speech, its meaning as well as an example sentence, so you can see how it's used in context. If you're interested, please continue watching this video.
Respect. A feeling of deep admiration for someone or something elicited by their abilities, qualities, or achievements.
I've known him and worked with him over the years and have a great respect for him.
It's time to learn about synonyms of a word.
Hey, Lena, what is the synonyms for respect?
Hey, William, today I'm going to share with you two different ways. Now, number 1 esteem, number 2 reverence.
Esteem.
Reverence.
Alright guys, are you ready? Let's learn and practice to speak fluently.
Respect.
Respect.
Right, so you've heard the examples and now it's your turn. You know the drill, listen and repeat.
Respect.
Respect. Bay.
A broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inward.
San Francisco Bay is a shallow estuary in the U.S. state of California.
Synonyms. Look at these words. Bay. Gulf. Bay and gulf mean the same.
Alright guys, are you ready? Let's learn and practice speak fluently.
Bay.
Bay.
Bark. The harsh sound uttered by a dog.
My dog is barking. Synonyms.
Look at these words. Bark. Yelp. Bark and yelp mean the same.
Alright guys, are you ready? Let's learn and practice speak fluently.
Bark.
Bark. Ambitious. Having or showing a strong desire and determination to succeed.
She's an ambitious young woman.
Synonyms.
Look at these words. Ambitious. Avid. Ambitious and avid mean the same.
Alright guys, are you ready? Let's learn and practice speak fluently.
Ambitious.
Ambitious.
Abandon. To leave a place, thing, or person, usually forever. had to abandon the car.
Synonyms. Look at these words.
Abandon.
Leave.
Abandon and leave mean the same.
Alright guys, are you ready? Let's learn and practice speak fluently.
Abandon.
Abandon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.